got?
Yeah.
You got a box?
Yes.
No.
No, I wanna.
Yes!
Yes!
Amazing,
Oh, I
baby.
guessed it.
Yeah. Okay, who's getting each
Okay,
color?
I got purple.
No, you got blue.
Oh wait, I got purple.
Blue.
Yeah!
It tells you blue.
Yeah.
Mommy, you're green.
Pick the colors.
I'll pick the colors.
Did you? Okay.
Why'd you get mommy green?
How did we get it out of the box?
Like that.
Mommy has lime green.
What's this? Information.
There you go. Mine.
Oh, look on the back. It actually has your
Magic.
name on it.
Nice.
I thought they were thicker than this.
Well, you have to put like covering.
Here. Here's yours. How do you?
I got it. I think.
Wait, so now we
Yeah.
could just put this up to the
Bam.
counter? No, not
Yeah,
the
it's
counter.
much easier.
Yeah, you don't have to do all that stuff.
And you can put like stuff on it. You could like
How do you
put
put
money
this
on it
thing on?
and buy. Sam did things.
This thing's hard. How'd you get these? Did they just give it to you?
Yep, they sent it in the mail.
There
Wow,
we go.
the inside looks great.
There we go. It's a little big, but I got it on.
Pretty
That's-
smaller.
Well, I can't.
I think you need a new arm. You need a bigger arm.
Yeah, I'm glad I got purple.
Mommy, do you have yours on?
Trying.
So we're gonna have these for August.
Gonna have these for the August trip.
Nice. And then November.
Yeah, I can't get this.
No.
It's
For
yours.
our birthdays.
Wait, I might have did it.
Oh my gosh.
No, I made it too tight. I can't get it the right size.
Do you need help?
No, I don't.
I'm the only one who has it on.
I got pink.
I got purple.
I have green.
And I got blue. Yay!
Yeah.
So we're gonna use these in August.
We're gonna use these in August.
Nice.
Do these cost a lot?
Devin, yours is upside down.
No, it's not.
Yeah, you're supposed to look down and see the.
No, it's
No, you're
supposed to be
because
like
if this is the thing, you go like that.
People are supposed to look at your Mickey Mouse. Not you look
Because
at it.
if you go like this, you're supposed to have the Mickey like that. So if the stand is there, you just go like that, and then you go in. We're going to Disney World.
Disney trip activated!
Thanks for watching, guys. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Please click the like button below. Your comments are welcome. Don't forget to click like and subscribe to the Disney Stranger channel. And walk forward.